Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Ajoto Haruna. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a perfect 3D logo for yourself, for your business, for your brand or your client. If you watch this video to the end, I will show you how you can stand out from other people creating logos out there. In this tutorial, I will be dividing it into two sections. Meanwhile, this logo you are going to create, you are going to be using AI, artificial intelligence, and I will be showing you different platforms, which is different tools you can use to create a perfect 3D logos for your business. Now, the number one section is the research section, and the number two is the creation of the logo itself. The research section is what makes you different from other people. What does research section mean? Assuming you want to create a 3D logo for your business or a company, which means your client. Let's say you want to create a logo for I will be taking an example for a computer company, maybe a computer technology company, let's say for sales or this thing. Then okay, let's say maybe a digital marketing agency for say. To do the research, all you need is your Chrome browser. Now you go to your Chrome browser and type in whatever you want to do the research for. Now, for the sake of this particular tutorial, I want to use what is it called? A computer company or a digital agency. Now, what are we going to do? Here is what you are going to do. You go to your Chrome browser. I assume all of us have known what Chrome browser is. Now, here is your Chrome browser. Here's your Chrome browser out here. Hope you get it. Now, you click on the Chrome browser. Now, you type your search now. Now, what are you going to type now? Let's say, okay, you type computer company logo design idea. Let me just see. Then you click on search. All right, now can you see different logos for computers? Can you see? Hope you can see different logos. Let's go to the image section itself. If you look at these different logos, you will notice, so there are basically four things you need to look for when creating your logo. Number one is the company name. The second one is the symbol, and the third one is the brand colors. Then the fourth one is the background colors. Now, if you look at this one, let's take for instance this one, this first one. Let's take this first one for example. This one, this Daytech. Now you can see the company name is Daytech, and the background color I think is a kind of dark. It's a kind of dark color, and the symbol is a computer surrounded by one kind of a ring, and what is it? The brand color is white, and let me say white and is it light blue? So these are what you are going to look for before creating your logo. So if you want to imitate this type of logo now, so this is what you are going to look for. Now, in my own case, I have my own color that I want to use. I'm not going to use because they are different kind of this thing. So this one is just for you to make a research. You can see different ones here. The background, it must have a background. This thing. Now I want to go for my own creation of logo. Now what am I going to do? There are let me show you basically the platforms you are going to use. So here are different platforms you are going to use. We have ideogram here. I hope you can see. We have ideogram.ai, leonardo.ai, dpi.org, freepix.com/Picasso, photocom.com/image/create, blackbox.ai. Now, in my own case, I'm going to pick two now. So, which is the leonardo.ai and ideogram.ai. So, these are the two I'm going to use now. Now, let's dive into it proper. Now, here you go to your browser, then you search for ideogram.com. Now, me, I already have it here. You can see it. So here is it. I already have it. So what I'm going to do is that I will just tap on it. Now this is it here. So I will tap the first one. I will tap and allow it to load. It's loading. Now ideogram is loaded. What are you going to do? Here is what you are going to do. You are going to come to this plus sign. This plus sign. Can you see? That is where you are going to tap on. I will tap on this plus sign. Now can you see? Say what? Describe what you want to use. Now in this my own prompt. So here, this is where you are going to paste your own prompt. Now I don't, for the sake of time, I don't want to. I already have my prompt typed. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy my prompt now and paste it here. So don't worry, I will give you some different type of prompts that you are going to create, that you are going to use for different kind of loading. Now this is my own prompt. Let me copy it. Now this is my prompt. Now my prompt reads: create a 3D flat logo, glossy, high resolution for gifted hands technology. Mind you, I mentioned a company name. Let there be a laptop, that is the symbol, you understand, and different computer icons, symbol too, around the laptop. The brand color, which I mentioned, which is the number 3 of 4 things to look for of the design are white, pink. Then the overall design should be, which is the background, the overall design should be the brand color should be on a dark white color. Now what are we going to do? We click on create here. Can you see? We'll click on create and let's see what we are going to bring. Now you will allow it. Under here, you look out for this place, so it will be counting here. It will be counting. No, sorry, this, I mean this. You see, it will be counting down. Can you see? It's generating the logo. It's generating. Now it's complete. Let's see. It's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. So these are perfect logo. If you look at this logo with the research we did, it's somehow similar to what we see on our Google, on our Chrome browser when doing the research. So this is the first logo. You can see Gifted Hands Technology. Can you see the background? Now let's look at the second one. Can you see white background? Can you see Gifted Hands Technologies? Can you see? Now this is the 4, so it will generate like 4 for you. Can you see? So here is how this is for the ideogram. Then if you want to use Leonardo, we can still use Leonardo, but I will stop here for the sake of this video. So in our part 2 of this, we will be using other some AI tools to generate what is it called, the logo as well, and they still have some other logo creation idea that we use. So look out for the part 2 of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. My name is Ajoto Haruna. Welcome.